The cough. Just like home. The things I think clap when I pray. Before I start my day, I've always been Oracle, but not that very gay. Henry, yeah, Al El Jaquil. What? Don't answer me with that tone. Takes headphones out. I'm home alone. I said take out the trash before you leave, okay? Oh shit. Time to start my day. Don't excuses. Our Father. The med techs down the street are jegging. Sometimes I think of spiders when I walk. But this is part 2. What's a part of you? The sign looks suspicious. I enter. I leave. What a D's. And to think of that trash. My legs hurt from walking so much. When I'm in a rush. This is leading somewhere, I promise. My heart hurts better when I jog. Gotta leave the house sometimes, though. Are we? Down we go. I'll listen to on the way home. Do you ever listen to music while you smoke? Cough. Maybe I won't. No. Yeah. Keep walking. My friends are following my friends while I'm jogging. I said maid. It's cigarettes that's talking. Oh, it's getting cold. As ice out here. I'm just in my mind. Let me just take up some time to cough. Sees gory visual of blood spurting out. I don't have time for that. So young at my age. I'm not her. No, no more. Never cough again, never cough again. The light's dead. Mom. Not home. What, baby? I think I'm sick. Look under the cabinet. Phew. Bless you. I didn't look red. Heading off to bed. Without mustering the strength to. Out of the mood. Lights. How can someone hurt a child? Out. Clap. Owl. At my window. You don't have much time. I said, did you got one? Yeah. Okay, how do you feel? Brush wheel. I didn't say my prayers. Smiles. Later. Maybe it was all my imagination. Eerie. Make my entire day the way it's supposed to be. Off to hen. Off with their heads, it said. Hey, do you want to go practice when you come over? Yeah, it takes a lot to be this way. Now, when did you say? Ooh. 'Cause I'm in a hurry. Ashes. When only sipping before diving. Good luck to driving. I'm lat that though. What's going on? You can spell it that way. Are you expressed to pay? Same, the same, the same. Have you ever spelt hame? I've spilt tea and coffee on my grandma's sofa, all at the same time. You just lost so many cool points. Ha ha he he hi. I lied. I just feel like the sun is setting on all my horizons now. Well, I've been there before. Have some mur with emphasis on the Thanks. And I've paid attention to all of my lessons. How can you tell when it's italics? You're Italian. I don't want to cough anymore. Pause. I just see the same thing whenever I dir. Mid-time visuals of me dying. Not at the same time though, she says, crying. It means it. That's not deep at all. You'll be fine. Why? It's time to go home. Falls flat onto cone. Ho. Yeah, I said it twice. Got a problem with that. Sometimes you just do. Is all I'm saying. Yeah, you're right. Tight. My girl is white. And I got grown on this day. Aliens in his bay. I'll watch before night. Flips on TV. It's my inheritance. The tree was falling down when all of a sudden an alien came to town. And you know how it goes. I'm ashamed of the Fei. New day. You owe me. And maybe it's just better if I stay here and look up at the ceiling. Seeing what shapes is really. Nof. I'll take off. Hilaf. I just had an idea of not. As if something is locked into place. I'll just mess in my head. Life isn't so sweet. But I don't want to just give up. I'm scared. Suddenly it's approaching. The cough of all coughs. And it's a drop. You could do it all along. Now it wants to be simple. All right, I'll be civil. I'll answer my prayers. Our Father, I'll ne'er. Knocked out. Somehow. The impossible. When I say someday, it wasn't just a dream. It was destiny. My final words. But I'm better now. Clap. I made those excuses last night. Get into flight. Dresses for flight. Hello. Do you know where go? Yeah, you're in the wrong blow. Okay. As long as one is capitaled. Don't tell all your secrets. Who wrote this day? Yeah. Cough. But it can't be. I can't be here. Maybe it's a censor. Na. Separate. Na dancer. A celebrity. It's destiny. I'm painting my own batu. And my nose is sicker than usual. And coughing as usual. So what's the rule? Haven't I played enough Zelda? I pray I didn't take anyone to. Maybe it wasn't for you, but for someone else. Something else. You're right. False light. I must see God. Pastor? And that's all. It's a fraud. See? All gone. Thanks for tearing your thong. Real grown up for your ong. Thanks. Well, I'll be on my way. Hey, this is fun. Hun? Yeah? I feel so much better now. Hey, what's this sticking out of the door? Something you're fat tore. You're all a bore. Well, I'll just be on my way in. Looks at the timer. Nuff. At this exact time. Let him go through you. The ceiling looks better. And more inviting. 2 health intelligence. Cough, cough. With strength. Quick fart. Time to bend. Walks down the walk. Smiles on face. Opens door blamely. Hey, don't forget to...